So what's for dinner tonight? Before you start planning your grocery list, you'll want to see what's on sale this week, and our Smart Shopper team is doing all the hard work for you to make it easy. ABC 15's Chelsea Davis has the deals.
If you're firing up the grill, go to Bash's'. T-bone steaks or boneless top sirloin steaks are $4.97 a pound. There's a sweet sale on blackberries this week, 75 cents for a 6-ounce package. Food City has the best price on avocados, 5 for $1. Red peppers and brown onions are 4 for $1. Then head on over to the meat case. They have bone-in thighs or drumsticks for 57 cents a pound. Check out these supersized deals at Fry's. Jumbo cantaloupes for 88 cents. And you can mix and match with this bargain, 10 for 10 on everything from pizza to bread to biscuits and deodorant. Safeway is dripping with deals. A case of water for 99 cents. You have to grab the Just For You coupon. If you buy more than one case, it's going to be $1.99. A dozen eggs at Safeway is also running for 99 cents. Albertsons has the same Lucerne eggs for even less, 69 cents. But you need a coupon. You can't beat Albertsons' price on strawberries this week, just 77 cents a pound. Wash it all down with Powerade. They're only 44 cents each when you buy 6.